The Hawaii's volcano eruption has triggered a shock event that has left experts baffled, with one meteorologist admitting he has never seen this before, after the explosive lava caused a winter freeze blast. Mysterious weather events have struck Hawaii's Big Island, where the volcano Kilauea continues to erupt and spew lava. The Hawaii National Weather Service was forced to issue a shock winter weather advisory alert after freezing rain and ice appeared in areas of the Big Island. The unusual weather event is incredibly rare and meteorologists have admitted that they have never seen this before. One Hawaiian meteorologist, Pete Kagiano, told viewers, "Lava flow has actually prompted a winter weather advisory for the summit of the Big Island. Lava is entering into the ocean that is creating a lot of steam. As that steam rises up, it cools and falls back down as freezing rain and fog. I have never seen this before. This has sparked a winter weather warning for above 12,000 feet. They're right on the roadway, so this is creating dangerous conditions." This weather is yet another unusual byproduct of this lava flow that continues to emerge. According to the official advisory, recent observations from the summit of Mauna Kea, 72 miles from Kilauea, indicate below freezing temperatures are bringing freezing fog and rain. The U.S. Geological Survey admitted yesterday that no one knows exactly when the month-long lava chaos will end. Volcanologists confirmed the month-old eruption on Hawaii's Big Island has entered a new, quieter, calmer phase inside the crater. The latest update revealed the lava fountains of 200 feet are continuing unabated. Strong winds are pushing volcanic emissions, or VOG, to smaller islands nearby. VOG is a harmful air pollution that results when the sulfur dioxide mixes with oxygen and moisture around the island. The volcanic disaster is believed to be the most costly and destructive in U.S. history. More than 400 homes have been destroyed since the eruption started around a month ago. The latest lava flow appears to have created nearly a mile of new land off Kapoho Bay, according to officials from the U.S. Geological Survey.
We live in a time now, things are changing. The universe is not what we thought it was. Paradigms are shifting. Nature is transforming. The world of illusion made by man faces destruction. We're moving towards a black, supreme, new world order. Nature will destroy all of man's technology, all of his contraptions. Nature will pull the plug on Disney World. Nature cries out for the original people, its chosen people, who have been mistreated, who have been tortured, ran over. Nature cries out. The Matrix will no longer be. Truth shall reign supreme. Black rulership will be reestablished in the earth after it is purified and cleansed. For we shall be victorious. We shall triumph as nature fights our battles, as nature overwhelms the enemy forces of truth, of light. For our weapon is not nuclear energy, but nature's forces that bear witness to the birth of living gods that reign upon the earth. It is from nature we have cometh, and it is to nature all things shall returneth. In divine order, beyond misperception, delusion, and confusion, and entrapment in the enemy's world. For all that will perish and will peril, and the black supreme reality will be the dominant world beyond all of man's machinations. We are upon the final frontier towards the new beginning. Today, man must make sure that he is on the right side, that he is on the side of nature, truth, the ᴄᴜ. Because if you are caught on the wrong side, believing in an illusion, enforcing an illusion, you shall burn in the hell. You shall feel the fury as nature cries apocalyptic tears of fire and ice. For you shall burn with Babylon if you are not on the side of truth with nature. For he who is on the side of nature shall be eternal and shall have everlasting life. The world you see now is a temporary world, a world of deception, a world of lies. The true world shall overcometh that world and leave it to naught, and only the seekers of truth, of light, and those who can bear witness to the divine reality will stand with the triumphant forces of nature as it unveils its omnipotent and almighty power. One must ask themselves, what side am I on? What do I live for?